1 grams to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea.
Pause right here. This is important. What the judge just explained is huge in plea deals. Even if the state recommends a lighter sentence, the judge is not required to accept it. That means the defendant is rolling the dice. Question for you. Would you risk pleading guilty knowing the judge could still go harder than the deal?
Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. Are you all in agreement with his receiving probation?
Yes.
Any objection to the court checking that box? All right, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Cupp, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that
This is where the courtroom energy completely shifts. The judge isn't just sentencing a defendant anymore. He's sending a message about cycles, influence, and accountability. Bringing a teenager to watch this, the judge sees that as normalizing prison. Do you agree with the judge here, or do you think family presence still matters, even in moments like this?
defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. This will run concurrent with 2024 CC 738359. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a top evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Pending exhibit and attachments, Judge. No objection.
State you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, so what's happening with all of the other things that were found in the vehicle, the body armor and the gun?
The gun is part of the plea bargain, Judge, and we need to go down to County 11 after we're finished here as part of the plea.
All right, and also the body armor? Okay, all right, thank you. All right, so do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
18, 17, 15, 12, 1.
And do you have contact with them?
I do.
Do they live with you?
Yes. Their grandparents right now.
All right, so that means that you're not taking care of them. It's the grandparents. Are they the paternal or maternal grandparents?
Mother or father?
Father.
Okay. So basically you continue to have children and they're taking care of them. Is Child Protective Services involved in your life? Where's the mother of the children?
She's not in the picture.
She has a 1-year-old and she's not in the picture.
It's not the same.
All right, so that mother, where is she?
She's actually incarcerated.
All right, so the mother of the 1-year-old is in prison or in jail?
No, she's here.
All right, in jail.
No, she's not. Not the 1-year-old. I have 4 with 1.
And this is the final warning shot. Probation isn't freedom, it's a tightrope. One argument, one phone call, one bad decision, and this entire deal collapses. The judge is basically saying, fix your personal life or the system will do it for you, with prison time. Do you think probation actually helps people change or just delays the inevitable?
1 with the previous
Okay.
and 1 with my new spouse.
Oh, and so she's here today? Where? Oh, where's the 1-year-old?
She's with family.
All right, so basically the mother's raising children. Yeah. All right, so I never understand. And who is this young person here in the courtroom?
That's my son.
All right, how old are you?
17.
All right, what are you doing with your life? Are you in school or not in school? Graduate? What are you doing? All right, why are people bringing children down here to see somebody who is in jail for drugs like this is somebody that people should be looking up to when he should be in school? Is school out? Is this an excuse day for him to come down and see this person be sentenced? Is he excused from class? Is he missing math? Is he missing science? Is he missing English literature? Why is he here? Why would you bring your child down here to see him be sentenced for committing a crime?